this is real life, I don't ever wanna dream. Again. If this is real life, I don't wanna dream ever again.
Ooh, looking good.
Come on. Sample season's in, baby.
Sample season.
We're not dropping this till next year.
Yeah, I see that. Okay.
Got a new whip. Got him a new whip.
Oh, Austin with the new whip.
Get the new strap, baby.
Strap season.
We're about to go.
You know, I'm still waiting on my.
You like yours? Did you order some, or did we need to get some over here?
I need to just put my order in. You know.
Okay. Yeah.
Ain't no discounts over here.
You heard it. Full price.
Full price, boy.
Friends pay full price. Period.
Sure.
That's simple. We're going to Venice Beach. Gonna go shoot the little homies. And then I got a bunch of work to do. Forgot my fucking computer. Gotta go back up and get it. Got him. We're back, baby. We're on our way to Venice Beach. We're gonna go shoot a little brand story commercial with some fellas we're playing football over at Fullerton, so we're gonna shoot this brand story. We're gonna shoot this brand story, and then I have like a couple hours of admin shit to do. Like, you know, I hate admin work, but no one's gonna do it for me. Well, they could, but there's nothing like being hands-on with your own shit. You know what I'm saying? Because if there's a mistake, then I made it. Because I did it. Because I do all my own shit. Except video editing. Can't do that. That's why I got a professional. It's hotter than that thing over here. Okay. So yeah, we got this video. Then we gotta go consolidate some of this content and figure out what's next. The important thing about what I just said there is that everything is my fault. Now there is some shit that I, you know, have other people do, hire other people to do, but if they fuck it up, it's still my fault, because I hired them. So that's how you take accountability, and you can always be sure that everything is your fault. Figure out why it's your fault. If someone fucked something up and you told them to go do it, or you hired them to do the task, you hired somebody who's not capable of doing the task. That's your fault. Accountability is key to happiness and success.
Where you at, in LA?
Yeah.
Oh shit, Austin with you out in LA.
Oh yeah, I flew Austin out.
Wow.
Come on, dude. Austin mom called me and said, hold on, what you mean you flying Austin out? Where are you guys going? Austin said, Mom, don't worry about it. I'm going to film. I'm going to film. You know?
I didn't know he was in LA. I think it turned the phone on in. Please.
Had to.
Where you get that jersey from?
Where else would I get it?
Wow. That's fire.
Where else would I get it?
That's crazy.
Come on.
Wow.
Yeah. Got one for you in the office.
That's fire.
Got one for you in the office.
Alright, hit me up and know how to shoot, man.
Alright, we're gonna run this shoot, and then I'll be here for a couple hours, and I got a little bit of work to do on the computer, but then I'm gonna hit you. Send me the link to the Black Messiah video.
I will.
Alright. We are in Venice Beach. We are filming some brand stories. We're gonna do a lot of personal brand story content. You know, really get personal, on the ground floor type of look into some of these guys' lives, what diversity means to them, you know, what the brand means to them, and we'll hit a lot of different type of people, a lot of different type of venues, a lot of different type of locations. Like I said, today we're in Venice Beach. We got the Venice Beach, we got the fellas. Say what up. Got the fellas supporting, got the Breonna Taylor
You already know.
Justice tee on. We got the Hybrid Essential tee.
Yeah, we got-
like
yeah,
the
we got-
joggers. We getting the shot?
Yep.
You know I always ask you, did we get the shot?
We got the shot.
You heard him. We got the shot. Every time we shoot something, I ask him, I said, we get the shot? He's like, he looked at me and said, why you waving at her?
Huh?
I said, why you waving at her? He said,
Oh, he was just
I know.
compassion.
Yeah, I like that. There you go.
I'm just
Yep.
in la la land.
I like it. That's a nice little hey. Every time I say, did we get the shot? He says, he looked at me, he said, I'll let you know if we don't get the shot. Crazy. You are not gonna wanna miss this edit. When you see what he puts together off these little scenes that he wrote out, when you see what he put together off these scenes that he just wrote out, he is going to chop this up and you are not going to want to miss seeing the final edit to this brand story video. Hey, let's get them on the road. Say what up. Hey, they out here getting it with the Orlando joint. Already. They're out here getting it. This is
You put it on YouTube? What? What's it on?
Come on, what's the YouTube?
You got no card?
What's your YouTube? You ain't got no YouTube? Riding around like this, y'all gotta have the YouTubes out here. Type it in your notes. They're still out there shooting. I am going to step in the car for a little bit. I got the laptop with me. I got a bunch of shit I gotta do on the computer, so gotta be able to multitask. They're out there shooting the beach scene right now. I'll step out there and get the last last bit of the beach workout scene. But I got a bunch of actually some promo orders that I gotta enter in. I'm gonna enter in these promo orders, some influencer packs, stuff like that. Got some new addresses I gotta update. But we gotta get these influencer packs out ASAP. We'll get these out. Some exclusive stuff that hasn't dropped yet. Some stuff that's already dropped, but we want to keep the promo out, keep the content up. We got some people reaching out who want to shoot. Some photographers who want to shoot some products, so we gotta get that out there to them so they can get it rocking. Turn this hotspot on. Mobile hotspot is right here in Shopify. Right here in Shopify app. Nation, baby. Not a bad little office setup, huh? Little office setup. So I'm not mad at that. But it's gotta get done. I love to hang out there and tan my fucking head. But I gotta go to work, baby.
I can't smell no buddy.
We out here.
Oh, what size are those on?
My size.
Damn. Oh, what size are you for real?
Dude, you wear about a 13 and a half. I can see little long ass toe. Look at his toe.
If you can hear it. I wear,
You a 14.
it all depends on the shoe. Like basketball shoes and football cleats, I wear a 16 or 17.
Damn!
But like Jordans and Air Forces, I wear 13.
You wear a 12.
I wear 13.
This dude is funny. Got another about 30 minutes or so, and then about 30 minutes or so. Then we're gonna be shooting in a very special car. My guy's gonna pull up on me. Got a very special car, so you're gonna definitely want to see this whip. This is some, I ain't gonna say it. Nah, I'll say it. This is some Fast and the Furious shit. But this is like the most elite real car guy shit. You can't just go pull up to the Mercedes dealership and get it. Pull up to the Range Rover dealership and get it. This is some special shit. So stay tuned. After we get off this beach, we're gonna go shoot with a very special car. This shit is fire. One of my favorite cars ever. All right, just wrapped up the shoot out here. Sent the guys off with some. With some merch. We're gonna head back to OC. We're gonna go shoot some more shit. We're gonna go shoot some more shit here. Austin,
Yeah.
did we get the shot?
Yeah, we got the shot. I had him go all the way underwater. I had to get